Hello and welcome to Learn Node.js on Codecademy. This is a brief overview of what we're going to learn in this course. So what will we learn? In this course, you will get an introduction to Node.js, a popular back-end JavaScript runtime used to create web applications. After this course, you'll be able to understand what the back-end is, use essential built-in Node.js modules to program event-driven applications, and create basic servers with the built-in HTTP module. Learning is social. Whatever you're working on, be sure to connect with the Codecademy community in the forums. Remember to check in with the community regularly, including for things like asking for code reviews on your project work and providing code reviews to others in the project's category, which can help to reinforce what you've learned. You can also utilize the comments on this video. Make sure to comment below any questions you're having, and I'll try to help out whenever I can, as well as I'm sure others will see the comment and they might know or have ran into the same issue and can help. So what should you know before starting this course? Required. This course assumes that you have foundational knowledge in JavaScript. If you're not comfortable with general JavaScript syntax or need a refresher, take a look at the Learn JavaScript course. We'll have links down below that can help get you on your way if you're brand new to web development in a condensed manner. That's great for beginners. Optional. Knowledge of HTML and asynchronous JavaScript concepts will be helpful. If you want to learn about HTML, check out the Learn HTML course. We will go over some asynchronous programming concepts necessary for Node.js programming together, but you can get more in-depth and hands-on learning from the Learn Asynchronous JavaScript course. What will we create? Throughout this course, you will be tasked with applying the concepts learned in projects. Here's a preview of the projects featured in this course. There's a message mixer where it looks like we enter a message we like to encrypt and it will encrypt it for us. Then there's a rock, paper, scissors. These projects will provide you with a step-by-step guide towards building a working template for building your own web applications. We're excited for you to start your journey into back-end programming with Node.js. And if this sounds like something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe for notifications whenever a new lesson is out. And I'll see you in the next video.